Sail in luxury through the Amazon, a place like no other, with jungle experiences. Experience Mother Nature in a new way. Rest well in our suite-style rooms with all the luxury amenities. Wake up on the other side of the world. In a unique and fantastic place. A place rich in ancient culture. A place where exotic wonders are born. And experiences last an eternity. Navigate your way through the jungle of life. Feed your curiosity. Take a leap into a world with an abundance of adventure. Catch on to something great. Enjoy! Exclusive dining experiences and life as it should be at your pace. Take a walk on the wild side. Relax and enjoy a complete immersion into the incomparable diversity of Peruvian culture. We are waiting for you in the heart of the Amazon. So come and join us on your journey of a lifetime.